Have you ever wondered about the unusual varieties of vegetables that exist? Picture a world beyond the everyday carrots and peas, a world teeming with countless vegetable varieties often overlooked. Stay with us as we delve into the world of unusual vegetables. First on our list is the Romanesco broccoli, a standout with its vivid green color and spiraling fractal patterns. But it's not just about looks. This unique vegetable boasts a distinctive flavor akin to a nutty, slightly sweeter cauliflower. A truly unique vegetable, isn't it? Moving on, have you ever seen a purple carrot? Originating from the Middle East and Asia, these vibrant roots are packed with antioxidants and add a pop of color to any dish. Imagine the surprise when you serve purple carrots at your next dinner party. Next, we have the kohlrabi. Often described as otherworldly, its peculiar appearance sets it apart. But don't let its looks fool you. Beneath that alien exterior lies a sweet, crisp flesh that bursts with flavor. Who knew that such an unusual vegetable could be so delicious? These are just a few examples of the unusual vegetables that exist. Remember, nature has a bounty of variety waiting to be discovered. Try the Romanesco broccoli, purple carrots, and kohlrabi, and keep exploring. Before you go, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Happy gardening and exploring!